Dear Lauren Berry, welcome to the most exclusive club in business. On behalf of all of us at Inc., I am delighted to inform you that Tranont has earned the position of number 321 on the 2018 Inc. 500. Each year for 36 years, Inc. has recognized the fastest growing private companies in America, and this year's set of winners places the bar very high indeed. Companies that made the list on average have grown six-fold since 2014. During a stretch when the economy grew around 11%, that's a result most businesses can only dream of. As an Inc. 5000 honoree, Tranont outshares a pedigree with Intuit, Zappos, Under Armour, Microsoft, GoPro, Timberland, Cliff Bar, Patagonia, Oracle, Fox, Grubhub, and dozens of other alumni that have gone on to become household names. In addition to Tranont, the class of 2018 includes such powerhouses as Peloton, Brooklinen, and PopSockets. In other words, you are in very good company. Congratulations to you and your team. You should be proud of all that Tranont has achieved to date. Sincerely, James Ledbetter, Editor-in-Chief, Inc. Media.